Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast wireless charging. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access battery and device care. Now select battery section, scroll all the way down again and tap on more battery settings. Lastly, scroll down one more time and tap on the switcher next to fast wireless charging to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!